okay, what does the My BMW app and the BMW ConnectedDrive system allow you to do? It allows you to do several things. The BMW ConnectedDrive system has an intelligent personal assistant connected to it to allow you to do things like, hey BMW, turn on the radio.
98.7 DZFE.
Hey BMW, roll up my window.
Okay.
Hey BMW, where is the nearest hospital?
I'm loading the list.
All right.
Which one of these 20 entries?
BMW now has live maps and we tried them and they work. This has been the first time I've kind of shifted out of Waze into a car-based system, and it works because there's actually a SIM inside the car. It's a global SIM, so you're not talking about paying it or whatever to your local telco. What it does is it allows the communications between your car and the internet, so everything is as live as it possibly can be. This is actually a pretty good depiction of those buildings. It's actually quite cool. Schedule my next service appointment.
Multiple services are needed. Your next engine oil is needed in 7,000 kilometers or by the 8th of February 2025.
Where is Rolex?
Which one of these 13 entries?
This is dangerous.